Morning students, today we will learn to draw the diagram of spinal cord and the mechanism of spinal reflex section. So let us start with it. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is the part of the central nervous system, right? It is made up of neurons. The arrangement of the neurons is that the cytones which are forming the gray matter are present in the central region. So this is our gray matter. And the axons which are making the white matter are present towards the periphery. Okay, now let us start with the spinal reflex section. So we will draw the receptor organ. Here it may be the hand or the skin. This is the receptor organ. The hand or the skin. And similarly we have is the effector organ. So this is the effector organ. Now spinal nerve is a mixed nerve which is having both kind of neurons, sensory neurons also and the motor neurons also. Now these sensory and motor neurons, the sensory neuron is present towards the dorsal side, that it is there in the dorsal root, and motor neuron, it is present towards the ventral side, that is in the ventral root of the spinal nerve. So this is our dorsal side, dorsal root, and this is our ventral root. So in the ventral root we have is the motor neuron, and on the dorsal side, dorsal root, we have is the sensory neuron, right? So like this. Let's just label it. This is the ventral root. And this one is the dorsal root. On the dorsal side, dorsal root, we have is a ganglion also present, right? There is a ganglion present on the dorsal side, and this is called the dorsal root ganglion. So we can label this one as the spinal nerve. This is this side we have is the sensory neuron. And this one, this side we have is the motor neuron. Okay. Now joining the sensory neuron to the motor neuron we have is a association neuron. So there is an association neuron which is joining the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. So this one you can label it as association neuron. Right? The central cavity of the spinal cord, this is called the central canal. Central canal through which the cerebrospinal fluid is passing. Okay, now let us describe the spinal reflex section, the pathway of spinal reflex section. Children, reflex action is quick, automatic and very immediate involuntary action in the body which is brought about by some stimulus. For example, if we are touching a hot object, our hand will be brought back immediately without giving a thought. This is a reflex action. This is a simple reflex action, right? Now, for following a particular shortest route for the reflex action, we are showing this diagram. This diagram is depicting the pathway of simple reflex action, right? So in this we have is the receptor organ. In our case, this can be the hand. From the hand, a sensory neuron is taking the message. So this is the dorsal root. From the dorsal root, sensory neuron is passing and taking the message to the spinal cord. And it goes inside from white matter to the gray matter. And inside the gray matter, the association neuron is passing the message to the effector, to the motor neuron. Motor neuron will take this message and through the ventral root, the motor neuron is passing and it gives the message to the effector organ. So this is our spinal reflex section which is carried out by the spinal cord, and it is the simple reflex section. Again, look at the pathway. We have is the receptor organ. We have is the sensory neuron. Sensory neuron gets into the central nervous system, that is the spinal cord. We have is the association neuron. We have is the motor neuron, and motor neuron is taking the message to the effector organ, and hence the response is generated. This is all about the spinal reflex section, children. Thank you.